Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is something a little bit different. Today I'll be showing you guys a audio story. My sound class, we are working on our first project of the year, and it's something easy, it's something simple, but I wanted to show it to you guys to get any feedback, or also let me know if you understand it. And yeah, all right, that's pretty much about it. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get to it. So I'm currently using Adobe Audition, and this is the story. It's a short story. I'm gonna play it for you guys. Hmm? Ha ha! Ah! Hoo-hoo! Hooray! And so yeah, that was my audio story. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know if you understood it. Thank you.